while I was reading yung background ng Aboitiz group, isa sa mga subsidiary ninyo, ano ba tawag doon? Sa mga sub-companies ninyo, involved sa data and innovation, data science and artificial intelligence, ano? Ang marami pong kinakatakot ng mga Pilipino, lalo na po't marami sa atin nasa BPO, business process outsourcing, is that AI and yung mga advances in AI will gobble up, will eat, papatayin yung BPO industry. So yun po palagay, ano po ba do you agree with that? Or is there a way to maybe upskill or reskill our workforce?
I don't think it will gobble up. It will affect, for sure. Let's make sure that it affects positively and not negatively, right? So again, education, all of that is what it's what that does, right? We have time. All these things take time. But it is happening.
But do we have time pa naman?
Well, we have time, but we don't have a lot of time. Let's put it that way. So we need to. But even education, right? The AI in education is what's going. That's what I mean by you have to take advantage of it. The AI in education is what's going to give us the advantage because now it's free. You can take an AI to teach the student. You don't need a teacher, for example, and it will monitor and it will tell the student if the student takes too long or answers or goes somewhere else.
Oy, bilisan mo.
No. Or tell the student, no, you cannot ask someone else. Alam niya. It's literally like a real person, right? Not only to students, RJ, but to teachers. It improves the teacher because there's also the guides that help the teacher.
Actually, sobrang simple lang po. Yung mga English teachers natin, kausapin lang nila yung AI. Practice na nila to speak English yan eh.
So, take advantage of the AI to give us an edge.
Gawin kakampi, wag
gobble us
kalaban.
up.
Ganon.
Yeah. Don't make it. It's not your kalaban. It's your kaibigan, di ba?
Yeah.
So that's for me what we have to do, right? What we have to understand.
All right.